Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video we're gonna do a full review of this foam cannon. It's a heavy duty foam cannon pressure washer from this company called Yamatic. Now Yamatic sells a lot of products on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description with their whole list. Today we will be reviewing this foam cannon. Not only that, also a turbo nozzle that they sent to me. Now both of these products will have a link down into the description. The full price of this product is only $29.99. It is a crazy deal already for the great product that it is. Now if you want to save 40% on top of that, click on the link. For the next few weeks that link will be active in a collaboration that I got with them, and I'm gonna show you. Now I've had this product already for a whole month. I've been washing my car every week, sometimes twice a week. The weather has not been cooperating. Today it's around 90 degrees, which it was 100 and 110 all last month. That's why I wasn't recording outside much, because it was just too hot. So I was waiting until night time to actually wash the car, which you cannot get good footage. But today I made an effort, wake up early on a Saturday before the weather gets hot, so I can actually wash the Toyota Celica. So it's not very dirty, but definitely it needs a wash. I'll be probably going to a car meet this afternoon, so I want the car to look good. You can also see all the water spot on the glass. So enough talking, let's start washing. One more thing before we start. This thing all comes separate, so you definitely just don't want to screw it directly on it. If not, you will get like a spray or a leak. So you just want to put a little bit of Teflon tape on it, something like this. You don't have to go crazy. This will avoid all the leaks. And screw it on. You need a 16mm socket or wrench to make it nice and tight. And from there, just throw it in the bottle. Let's start it. I'm gonna spray the car down with a 40 degrees nozzle as I just showed you. There you can see how dirty the car is. Now I'm gonna rinse it off so we can dry the car off. fairly dirty right here. As you guys can see, it does the job. Waiting for everything to dry out, but it does the job. Look how dirty this area is, and look how clean it gets when it dries out. So I'm gonna hit this part also, and then we'll see. Man, that looks good. I got some areas that I need to clean in front of the house. I got a turbo nozzle. The only thing, I'll be getting some kind of extension because I need to bend down a little bit right now. So once I get that extension, probably I'll get it from them, and I'll put another review with some other stuff, garden hose. There's a lot of other nice stuff that they have, so take a look on their website. I will leave all the link down into the description. There you guys have it, the review of these two nice products. Thanks to Yamatic one more time. It's been a blast using this product for a month already, and I'll be using it for many more months, hopefully years. And if it ever breaks down, I will let you guys know. But man, 30 bucks, you cannot get a better deal than this. Now, turbo nozzle, also great product. I will be using it a little bit more in depth around the house as the weather gets better. Now, other than that, if you guys see any product on Yamatic, on Amazon actually, and you like to see it but you're not sure if you want to buy it, comment down below. I will reach out to them. We have a great communication, and then hopefully they can send it over and I can do a review to make sure it's worth for what you need it to be. And let me know what you want me to do with it, and I will try to make a video of it. So other than that, thank you very much for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Out.